Hey everyone, here's a question from Power Play of class 8th. This is third question from Figure It Out. The question is, write the numerical value of each of the following. So we have 6 questions and they are given in exponential form. We have to find the numerical value. This means we have to expand it, multiply and get the answer. We'll start with the first question. We have 2 times 10 cube. This means we are multiplying 10 here 3 times. So what is the power? It's 3. This means you're multiplying that number 3 times. Now 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000, right? So this will be 2 times 1000. So answer will be 2000. Second one. We have 7 squared and 2 cube. We are multiplying 7 2 times and 2 3 times. 7 times 7 is 49. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 49 times 8. When you multiply these two numbers, we get 90. Sorry, not 90. It's 196. So you can check by multiplying these two numbers. Next, third one. We have 3 times 4 to the power 4. So we're multiplying 3 by itself only once, that is only 3 will get only once. And now we have a 4 to the power 4. This means we're multiplying 4 by itself 4 times. So this is equals to 3 times 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Now 64 times 4, let's see what it is. 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, plus 1 is 25. It is 256. Now we are multiplying that by 3. So let's multiply that by 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15, plus 1 is 16. 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7. So 768. Fourth one. We have minus 3 square times minus 5 square. Now, whenever you're multiplying negative numbers like minus 3, and if you're multiplying it even number of times, your product will be positive. You have to just multiply the numbers and ignore the positive sign. Like, you don't have to put the sign there. But if you're multiplying a negative number odd number of times, then your product will have a negative sign. Remember that. So here we have minus 3 times minus 3, we're multiplying it 2 times. Similarly, you're multiplying minus 5 2 times. Here, minus 3 we're multiplying 2 times, the power is 2. 2 is an even number. This means in the product you will not get negative sign, the answer will be positive. So just multiply the numbers, 3 3s are 9 times. Here also 5 times 5 is 45. Since you're multiplying 5 2 times, so sorry, this will be 5 times 5, 25. Yes, that's it. The answer will be positive here, that is plus 25. Now when you multiply 25 by 9, you get 225. That's it. Fifth question. Here we have 3 square and 10 to the power 4. Now this will be huge number. So 3 square means you're multiplying 3 by itself 2 times. And 10 to the power 4 means we're multiplying 10 by itself 4 times. So here 3 times 3 is 9. And when you multiply 10 by itself 4 times, you get 10,000. So 10,000 times 9 is 90,000. So answer is 90,000. There's the last one, sixth one. Now we have minus 2 to the power 5 times minus 10 to the power 6. Now we have here odd and even power. Now if you look at the first one, we have minus 2, we are multiplying it 5 times. Now 5 is an odd number. This means the answer will have a negative sign. Now this is very important. If you don't put negative sign, your whole answer will go wrong. So remember, if we have a negative sign and the power is odd, then in the final answer you will have negative sign. And if you have a negative sign and your power is even number, then your final answer will be positive. Means in the final product you'll put plus sign or no sign. So here, okay, let me, I don't have a space here, so let me shorten this. If you multiply 10 6 times, you get 1 0. So 1 0 followed by more 5 zeros. So I'll just put zeros here. So total you'll get 6 zeros. So 3, so I'll put comma. So this is 1, no, this is 10 lakhs. Okay, so this is 10 lakhs and the answer will be positive. Why? Because the power here is 6. 6 is an even number. This means the product will be positive. Therefore, this 10 lakhs will be positive number. Now, we have to solve this part. Here you are multiplying 2 5 times. 5 is an odd number. This means the product will have a negative sign. So when you multiply this 2 5 times by itself, the answer will be negative. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So this will be minus 32. Now multiply minus 32 and this 10 lakhs. So you get a very big number. So let me first write the number and then I'll put the comma. So we get 3, 2 followed by the 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's put commas from the right side. We have to put first comma after 3 digits from the right side. So I'll get 1 here and then here, and after that, after every 2 digits you have to put, and then 1 here. So this is 3 crore 20 lakhs. So this is a big number and the sign will be negative. Why? Because you're multiplying one negative number and one positive number. One negative number, right? 1 is an odd number. This means your final answer will be negative. So this is a trick you have to remember when you're multiplying exponents or a number with a negative sign. I hope this question is clear. If you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.